Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time to update you once again on my Mini Madness rolling project pan. If you're new here or you just don't remember, this is a rolling project pan that my friend Aura created. What you do is you start off with 10 miniature items, sample size, deluxe sample size, what have you. You try to use an up, and as you use one up, you roll a new one in, and at the end of the year, we see how many minis we have gotten through. Down below in the description box, I will leave you the playlist for my previous Mini Madness if you want to get caught up, as well as a link to Lena's channel because I know she's been doing the Mini Madness, and Aura as well, who is the creator of this project. But without any further ado, let's get into update number 7. As I always do, I'm going to start off with what I still have going strong, what I've used up or finished or buy, and what we've added, if any. So the first thing I have that's still going strong, I actually don't have here. I left it at work. It's in my desk. It is the Bite Lipstick in Rhubarb. I've been keeping it in my desk at work because then throughout the day I can touch up and put that on. It's a pretty good neutral color, even though it's got a little bit of plum in it. It's still really close to a My Lips But Better, so it works with just about any look that I have. So I have been getting a lot of use out of it that way. Up next, the ABH foundation stick in Banana. Yes, it is still going strong, and yes, I still have been using it. It's just you use so very little in this product, like a little bit goes a very long way, so it's just taken a long time to get through. Last update, I forgot to include this, and I'm like going through the whole thing, and the whole time I'm going through it, I'm like, am I counting 9? Because I'm thinking I'm counting 9. I'm like, nah, we'll just go ahead and go with it. But I was only counting 9. I forgot to include this. This is the Ren Ready Steady Glow AHA Tonic. It's basically a toner, but we're about right there at this point in the game. So, well, no, we'll see if we get this finished up at the end of the year because you don't need a whole lot, and I have been using it nightly. And next up, we have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and we're still kind of like not even at the halfway point. I've used about a third of this sample. This is another one. Doesn't take very much whatsoever. Also, we have the Clinique High Impact Mascara is still going strong. This is the one that's the dual-ended, has the primer on this side, and then you have the mascara on this side. This will be with us till the end of the project because in January is when it's new mascara day for me. So this will be with us till the end. And last but not least, and only because I've still been just a little frightened to use this, it's the Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. And I guess it's the whole it heating up on me thing that kind of makes me a little nervous. But I think I'm going to get over it. I think I'm going to try this out tonight. So we'll see how this goes. So those are the things we still have remaining, which means we've got 4 on the way out. So let's get into it. First up, used up, the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I loved this. This was a fantastic moisturizer. Oh my gosh, it really does hydrate. I could see this actually working like 72 hours because the moisture it gives is so amazing, yet it's kind of a jelly consistency, so it's not like a thick heavy cream, and it soaks in so quickly. I'm telling you, I would be sold on this for my daytime moisturizer if it weren't for the fact that this is how it comes. I don't like, and this is how the full size comes, I don't like having a jar that I either have to keep track of little tiny spoons to get in there, or I have to stick my fingers in there. That's just not one of those things I like in my skincare. I just don't like sticking my hands and stuff, even though my hands are clean and I know they're clean and I just washed them and this, that, the other. That still is just something I don't like. I wish they would put this like in a tube. That would be amazing. Or even like a delivery system like the Drunk Elephant. I think it's the Pharmacy that has like the little pump and the cap, and so it pumps out amount. That would be amazing, but unfortunately in the jar, I loved using it. I would love to get another sample of it, but I won't buy a full size of it. Next up, I finally used the last of it. It is, there's still some like in here. I could probably cut off the top and scrape it out, but it's not necessary. But it is the Makeup Forever HD Ultra Perfecting Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. I loved this. Oh my gosh. It's the first ever Makeup Forever complexion product that I have loved. This was an amazing, basically tinted moisturizer, BB cream type thing, but it had really good coverage for just that. It felt amazing on the skin, and it held up a relatively long amount of time. So on my like no makeup days, this was amazing. I would definitely think that come next summer, I will purchase a full size of this. Next up, the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Masks. These were so much fun. They were little gold masks. I mean, they look just like this. I have a photo on Instagram. But I really liked these. I thought after it was all said and done, my eyes felt like really hydrated. And, you know, my eyes are deep set and they're kind of sunken in. I have bad allergies, so my eyes are always like very dark circle. But I felt like that helped that temporarily. And I would love another sample of them. I don't know if I want to buy a thing of just little eye masks, because that just seems a little too extra for me even. But these were a lot of fun, and I thought they were fantastic. And last but not least, it just has to go. This is the Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Finishing Powder. I don't like this because it is a hot mess. When I say microfine loose powder, that's what this is. I mean, even if you stick your wet sponge in there, poof, you know, it's like a cloud of powder, and I never feel like I can pick any of it up and put any of it on. I mean, I'm sure it would be, it's amazing in some capacity, but one, it's super white, so it's not, I mean, it says translucent, but it is not that translucent, so it puts a super white cast on me. And two, it's just so stinking loose. I really don't like it. So hopefully I'll be able to pass this on to somebody who will enjoy it, because I used so very little of it, and I could see this lasting forever because you need so very little of it. Or let me put another way, you can pick up so very little of it that it should last you forever. But yeah, it's just, you know, me and Makeup Forever, we just don't get along. I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. And since we rolled 4 out, that means we're rolling 4 in. So let's go. First up here, we have the Drunk Elephant. This is the Best Number 9 Jelly Cleanser. Purifying and dissolves, supposed to help dissolve makeup and everything. I need to try this out. I just ran out of my normal daytime cleanser, so I said, yes, I'm going to throw this one in because I've been wanting to try it. Next, we have the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I've been waiting for winter months to try this. I've used the Aqua Balm. The Aqua Balm is fine for me because I have normal skin, but this one's supposed to be like the real creamy one, so I think this is going to be perfect now that we're approaching those winter months, so can't wait to give this a try. And I'm going to try it just to get it out of the way. You never know. This may be the one Briogeo hair product that I like. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And last but not least, we have this little tiny sample here. This is the Bare Minerals Set, Hydrate, and Glow Dewy Setting Spray. And so that's it. That's everything I have for you today for my Mini Madness Rolling Project Pan update number 7. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.